Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com.
In this tutorial, we are going to learn convert form data to JavaScript object using jQuery. Let's get started. I'm here inside index.html and I'm going to write the h1. Okay, so let's run the live server to see the result. So here we are. Going to learn convert form data to JavaScript object using jQuery. Okay, so to save the time, I'm going to paste this form. This is a form data because we know creation of form is not the main topic. So, and creation of form is very easy. So I just pasted a form. In this form, you can see we have input elements over here, like first name, its value is James, last name bar, temporary ID 30. Okay, in the comments section we have good service already written, so we don't need to write it again. And there is a selection for rating. I just assign their numbers 1 2 3 as a value, and there is a submit button. What we needed, we want the data. When the data will be submit, we will stop the submission because maybe we want to send it by Ajax, so we need to stop this submission, capture all data and submit it by Ajax component. Okay, the whole page will not be submitted, just information will go and return the data. But in this, we are just going to learn how to convert this data, all the input boxes, into a object. So for this, I'm going to write down the jQuery, write down the script tag, and let's start. Okay, first we are going to capture the form, which we can easily capture by writing this. I would like to capture submit, function, and event. Sometimes we just write E. Okay, here we are. And to disable form to submission, I can write event.prevent default. It will stop form to submitting the information. Okay, so if I click on this, form action will not work. Then we need to capture or serialize the data. How we can do this? Let's create a form object, obj, and I'm going to call this. We just need to call the serialized array, and it will convert all the inputs inside the form to a serialized object. Okay, so if you want to display this object, what you can do, you can call form object, just call for each, and function. Inside the function input object, I'm going to call this input object and console.log, and you can see input object dot name, because the input contains a name, a value. Let's concatenate it with colon over here, and then again input obj dot value. Here we go. If I will submit this now, I will get the data inside of it in the form of object. First name colon James, last name bar, temporary ID 30, comments good, rating 1. Okay, let's change it again. Rating 2. Okay, so you got the rating 2 over here. So you can see how easy it is to convert form data to JavaScript object using jQuery.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.